So remember, Phil Mitchell has issued an apology. So now there's people online who are happy that he has done that. So they are taking their victory rap.
Via podcasts like mine, holding these pastors accountable for what they say and for what they do, it proves it's working.
If you're speaking the truth, just stick to it. If you want to walk back, they're never going to be satisfied. You can never satisfy. You create the monster, you feed the monster. You can never satisfy a monster. So these people, they misunderstood the entire thing. So Phil Mitchell writing that statement, making an apology, did not even persuade them in any way, shape, or form. They're still holding him like, no, you're sharing with us about your trauma. We're not interested about that. Like, you guys, you're not listening. They're not even paying attention. They don't even care what he says, right? Because they already, their minds is already made up, right? Because to them, it's just like, no, whatever you say, we are not happy, okay? And they're not going to stop.
I apologize, and I'm glad that, he put that out there. Whether it's sincere or not, I don't really care. That's not my business. I just want us to understand we have a problem. And it's not a Christian problem. It's not a sinner problem. It is a leadership problem here in our country and bad policing. So whether or not you want to get angry, you want to get upset, you want to get even, you want to keep going in the comments, I'm going to just put to all of y'all replies and all y'all little comments and issues and the isms and schisms you got on my page, I'm just going to repost his apology to all y'all comments, because that's what should have happened. Because he was out of place, he was out of order, and shouldn't have been said. And it is destructive. And it was a demonstrative statement, especially for Black and brown children. Enough. Black children are not the issue here. And I get, why are we not calling adults on the carpet? Why are we not dealing with leadership? We are so busy coming after our children. Y'all need to be respectful. Y'all in the comments. Oh, these children are so disrespectful. What? You're an adult. These are adults. You go through training. You should know how to deal with mouthy children. Enough.
There you have it, guys. So they were out there on TikTok, and the people who are, defending Phil Mitchell shouldn't have apologized. These guys are happy that we're just going to clap back with his own statement. Like, oh, you guys are saying he shouldn't apologize. Guess what? Phil Mitchell has apologized. You see what I'm saying? I personally don't think he should apologize. What he said, he put everything in context, but nevertheless, he apologized. He issued a statement. Now, these guys, instead of them just saying thank you, you apologize and move on, they're out here taking what? The victory lap. They're taking the victory lap, thinking that they've won over Christians. When it comes to the scriptures, we can never take a back seat. As long as we are standing on truth, that should be our solid ground without backing down. Okay? We are to do it in love with grace. Our words must be what? Seasoned with salt, right? Because we want all these other people who don't know Christ to come to know the Lord in truth. We cannot do that with compromising, okay? We don't have to compromise.